Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your name on Skrill. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the Add, Transfer and Exchange. In the bottom, as you can see, we have 5 tabs: the Home tab, the Card tab, the Crypto, the Sports tab, and in the bottom right corner, the Rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change name on Skrill. So go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app as I told you in the start of the video, and navigate to the Settings section, which is of course here in the top left corner. Then click on Personal Details. And when you click on Personal Details here, you can, as you can see, you can go and provide, so you can of course go and do this via the support section by using the contact option available on your Skrill website. And be prepared to provide an official document that proves your name change, such as a name change certificate, marriage certificate, or a valid ID document showing both of your maiden and married name. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.